Nas accused misuse of HIV status, a breach of trust and data privacy. In a damning indictment of the dating app Grindr, a gay man has accused the platform of treating his sensitive medical data with reckless disregard, akin to a piece of meat. This allegation forms the cornerstone of a civil lawsuit filed in the UK High Court against the US-owned company. The lawsuit, representing nearly 1,300 disgruntled users, alleges a systemic misuse of private information, including HIV status and testing history. The claimants contend that Grindr violated UK data protection laws by sharing this sensitive information with third parties for commercial purposes, all without the user's explicit consent. Grindr vehemently denies these allegations, maintaining that it has never sold or shared user-reported health information, including HIV status, for advertising purposes. However, the anonymous claimant counters this claim, stating that he was relentlessly targeted with advertisements for HIV therapies on Grindr and other social media platforms after confiding his HIV status on the app. "I was really upset," he confided. "Grindr is a gay institution." Quote, "The lawsuit is being spearheaded by the City of London law firm Austin Hayes, which alleges that Grindr may have also compromised users' data relating to ethnicity, sex life, and sexual orientation." In 2021, the Norwegian Data Protection Authority levied a hefty fine of €6.5 million against Grindr for unlawfully disclosing user data to third parties for marketing purposes. Chaya Hanumanji, the lawyer spearheading the UK claim, emphasizes the significant distress experienced by the claimants, including fear, embarrassment, and anxiety. The claimant shared his personal journey with The Guardian, recalling how he met his husband on Grindr. He hailed the app's 2009 launch as a big thing for the gay community. "We used to have to put adverts in the papers, but when Grindr came out, it was just immediate," he explained. "It was amazing for young gay boys at that time. I didn't have to go to the pubs and bars anymore because I always felt out of place there." The claimant acknowledged the importance of being transparent about HIV status on platforms like Grindr to enable users to take necessary precautions. However, he expressed dismay when he began receiving tailored HIV treatment advertisements on his online feeds. "I thought, I guess your phone just listens to you," he said. "I didn't think it was from the company itself. You wouldn't expect that. I'm not ashamed of my status, but I didn't expect Grindr to go and sell it on like a piece of meat. It's not their business, it's my life." He expressed empathy for those who have been less fortunate in expressing their sexuality freely due to societal stigma. "There are a lot of men who have got wives and they've got kids," he noted. A Grindr spokesperson responded to the allegations, stating, "Grindr has never sold or shared user-reported health information, including HIV status, for advertising purposes, as is inaccurately suggested in this legal claim." Grindr maintains that the claim is based on a fundamental mischaracterization of practices from more than 4 years ago, prior to early 2020. The spokesperson emphasized Grindr's commitment to protecting user data and complying with all applicable data privacy regulations. However, Hanumanji maintains that the core of the client's claim centers on the unauthorized sharing of sensitive information without their consent. Despite Grindr's insistence that the data was not shared for advertising purposes, the claimants demand a full accounting of its dissemination. Hanumanji underscores the need for compensation, regardless of whether the practice occurred in the past, as it has had a profound impact on the claimants' lives.